break I got. Yet today I consider myself the luckiest man on the face of this earth. I've been in ballparks for 17 years and received nothing but kindness and encouragement from you fans. Look at these grand men. Which of you wouldn't consider it the highlight of his career just to associate with them even for one day? Sure, I'm lucky. Who wouldn't consider it an honor to have known Jacob Ruppert, also the builder of baseball's greatest empire, Ed Garrow, to have spent 6 years with that wonderful little fellow, Miller Huggins, and to have spent the next 9 years with that outstanding leader, a smart student of psychology, and the best manager of baseball today, Joe McCarthy? Who wouldn't feel honored to have roomed with such a grand guy as Bill Dickey? Sure, I'm lucky. Sure, I'm lucky. When the New York Giants, a team you would give a right arm to beat and vice versa, sends you a gift, that's something. When everybody down to the groundskeepers and the boys in white coats remembers you with trophies, that's something. When you have a wonderful mother-in-law who stands side by you and squabbles with their own daughter, that's something. When you have a father and mother who work all their lives so you can have an education and build your body, it's a blessing. When you have a wife who has been a tower of strength and shown more courage than you dreamed existed, that's the finest I know. So I close in saying that I may have had a tough break, but I have an awful lot to live for. Thank you.